You have a good one, man. Check out this truck. I like these rims. Hostile rims. H-O-S-T-I-O-E-I-L-E. Got an Elvis tune. We also got Child's Detailing. Make sure y'all hit him up. He's from the Houston area. Mobile. Hand wash, full details, paint correction, ceramic coatings, and more. He's actually in here for stepping up his game on the polishers. Gonna get the Rupes, the big boys. So we're just gonna go ahead and talk, see which one best suits him, and we'll go from there. All right, so we got Child's Detailing. He came here and bought the 2 Rupes machines. Let's see. He ended up buying the LHR 15 and the LHR 21. It's a 5.5 and a 6.5. Make sure y'all hit us up for your Rupes polishers. If I don't have them in stock, I can always order them for you guys. I am a direct dealer through them. One good thing about Rupes is just the way that it works. The machines are just flawless, and even then, if they do mess up, their 1-year manufacturing warranty is just so badass. So yeah, so if anything messes up off of that machine, I'll send it to Colorado, or you can send it. It's a real simple process, and they build everything. Like, they're not Chinese copied made parts. You were here that day, remember when actually he took the class when Rupes came in here. So they even torque them, they spec them, they do everything. So if they find more stuff wrong with it, you're basically getting a new machine back. So that's the good thing. It has a 1-year warranty. After that 1 year, don't quote me on this, but it's $120 to refurbish it. But refurbishing it, it's like getting a new one. So, which we don't, let's just say, the ratio to it being a messed up one to not being messed up, I sold quite a few. Like, I sold a lot of machines, and out of, let's just say, out of 50, maybe 2 were bad. Okay?
Sounds good.
So check out Child's rig. Later, bro. at these rims. Customer just got them. Said about 2 weeks ago. He said he's having a lot of shake at, what is it, at 60 miles an hour is it shaking?
Yeah, like around 65, 70.
So if you guys in the comment section know anything about why is it shaking, he says he's going like 60. They've been balanced. Does he need, I don't know if he needs an alignment, but you guys can help out in the comment section. Why is it shaking at 60? Brand new tires, brand new rims. See if we can get somebody to help us out. Later, bro. Hell yeah, you can. There.